One of the regular workshop, retreat, weekend extravaganzas that we offer here at Ottawahee is the relationship workshop that we put on. It's been going on for years and years and years. We've had a bunch of people come through here, and we've found that we can help just about everybody. Most of the people that come start with a really, really bad idea of relationship, that it is compromise, that it's just about communicating. You know, if I just communicate what I want and you communicate what you want, and I give up a little of that want and you give up a little of your want, we can reach some middle ground. That is a horrible way to go about relationships. It leaves both people missing out on something that was really important to them. We have a different way. Here we talk about the three circles: my space, your space, and our space. And we feed the our space from my space and your space. We each get to determine what goes from my space into the our space. And you get to determine what goes from your space into the our space. We populate that space together so that whenever we are operating in relationship, whether that be a romantic relationship or a professional relationship, it's going to be filled with the things that we really want to express in that space. As long as the other person has it, you can both put it in there. I can't put commitment into a relationship space if the other person says, I don't want to be pinned down to anything. That's ridiculous. I'm not creating a real our space. I have to find the places that we both have something that matches that can go into that space, so that it's made up of nothing but the things we've agreed to share. This is a much better way to start off any relationship, and we'll teach you exactly how to do that if you come to our weekend retreat.